All right, you've probably been seeing multiple videos of the best Forex broker to trade. What broker should I trade with? Who is somebody I should trust? Well, in this video, I'm going to break this down full transparency. I'm not just giving you guys one, I'm giving you a bunch, but tailored to exactly what type of trader you are. Additional to that, I am a trader myself that's been trading for more than 6+ years in this market, and I've traded over 8 different brokers. So I'm here to tell you, I know my shit. And that being said, I'm going to give you all full transparency of what I personally experienced, what my community experienced, and the reviews of every little thing you need to know. So therefore, you know if this is something you want to get into. So let's first get into what Forex trading platform we should be trading as a trader in the States. So let's talk about what Forex broker you should be trading. As me being in the USA, hopefully you are. If not, that's perfectly fine. It is hard to really get into a high leverage broker because we have a lot of limitations. We are only able to trade up to 1 to 50 leverage. We have all of these restrictions. We can't trade Forex. We have to go into the future side, which is another video for another day. But the problem is we have small capital and we want to trade higher leverage. Well, that's where this comes in. In this video, I want to show you exactly what is a polished broker, what is a platform you should be utilizing to trade, and how inexpensive things can be for you. So the first thing is a trading platform. If you are new to this space, you probably don't know much about a trading platform. When you go into something like TradingView, you might see this as the co-pilot of a cockpit of an airplane. What the hell is going on? I don't understand any of this. Well, here's the problem. A lot of these Forex brokers, high leverage, does not even allow you to trade through TradingView, which is okay. However, we have something called MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is what I grew up in when I got introduced into Forex. Additional to that, we got something new called Tradelocker, which is actually a new innovative platform that is really kickstarting this entire Forex space. So here's where you really want to pay attention to. One, when you deal with a Forex broker, don't just go for Forex broker that only has one trading platform. And I'm gonna explain why. I work with a Forex broker and I'm going to explain to you in a bit what that Forex broker was. That their trading platform literally crashed so many times, I was not able to trade during the sessions I trade, which is New York session, and that sucks. So you always need a plan A and a plan B. And that is exactly why I'm going to introduce you number one pick. The number one pick we're going to go for is GatesFX. This is actually a new broker I've been introduced and started trading, and I absolutely love it. What they offer is MT5 and also Tradelocker. But here is the flaw. If you are in the States, you're only able to use just one trading platform, and that is just Tradelocker. Unfortunately, you're not able to use MT5 being in the USA. However, if you're outside of USA like Canada, Australia, or anywhere else, you're fine. You have option A and option B. With the GatesFX, they offer very low spreads. So if you guys like to trade gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30, this is going to be one of the best options you can do. Additional to that, you can literally get started with a $100, $500, or $1,000 account, and they will give you a 100% deposit bonus. Honestly, this is the only broker out of the entire selection that is doing this that I'm giving you guys, and that's why I picked this as the top pick. But stay to the end because I'm sure you're not this type of trader, as there's other brokers that may fit your needs based off of how you're trying to look to trade in the market. Now, so here's a pro. GatesFX has what they call a 2-hour guaranteed withdrawal window, meaning the moment you withdraw, you get it within 2 hours. I've withdrawn over 10,000, I withdraw 5,000, and I got it within an hour. And I've been trading with GatesFX for about 6 months now, and I would say that yes, it's been consistent. Now let's talk about option 2 as a trader. So you are a trader, you may not care about the fees, you may not care about the trading platform. If you have not watched any videos about Tradelocker, I will post a video here so you can understand how powerful Tradelocker is. But let's just say you hate Tradelocker for whatever reason that is. Let's just say, hey, I am looking just for a regulated broker. However, if you are in the States, this is not going to be an option for you. But if you are outside the States, this is going to be a great option for you because they have multiple platforms. One being CTrader, which is a really good known established trading platform. The second being TradingView, which is probably the well-known trading platform that 99% of traders mark up the charts. You also have their own, and then you also have MetaTrader 5. And that, my friend, is going to be Blueburry Markets. This is a fully regulated broker in Australia that you're able to trade. Additional, one thing I forgot to mention is GatesFX is also regulated as well. It is a regulated South Africa broker. So you do have partial regulations with GatesFX, and you have full regulations with Blueburry Markets based in Australia. Okay, so I gave you probably the best 2 brokers that you can start off with as a trader right now. And if this is where you want to end the video, by all means you can end the video. But here is where it gets really fucking interesting. Let's say you are a trader that have no capital, bare minimum, meaning that you're only able to trade $50 or literally $100, but I want to trade this like it's a $5,000 account or a $10,000 account. Well, this is where this broker comes in play, called HeroFX. HeroFX has something called a Hero 10X account. Treat it like a prop firm. If you don't know what a prop firm it is basically where you are giving a lot of capital known as buying power to trade it, and when you start making profits off that 100K account or 50K account, you get to keep a certain amount of that, rather if that is 80% or 90%, but you get to keep that and the prop firm keep the other. That is exactly what HeroFX is doing, but you keep 100% of your profits. So if all you have is $50, you're able to unlock $500 to start trading. If all you have is $1,000, you're able to unlock $10,000 to start trading. So the beauty of HeroFX is it gives you way more buying power to start trading. Oh, and additional, HeroFX does allow you to trade MT5 and also Tradelocker. But being in the States, once again, USA, you're only able to go with Tradelocker. So if you guys really like this one, you can go ahead and check that one out as well. Now, at any given time, there's this really cool site called Tradelocker Brokers. This is basically showing you all other brokers that Tradelocker allows. For all of my Tradelocker fanatics like myself, you're able to get more information about the broker as well through Tradelocker Brokers. So you can even check out HeroFX and also GatesFX as they allow Tradelocker through TradeLockerBrokers.com. So go ahead and check that out when you get the chance to check that out. All right, so let's get into the very last option for you guys as a trader. So let's say you don't care for MT5, you don't care for Tradelocker. This is for anybody that is a brand new trader, for anybody that's been trading MT5 and also Tradelocker and just have no game and shame and trading it at all. You have a broker that is actually regulated and licensed and also offers low spreads. It uses the exact same trading platform that sway markets use, if you know what that is, liquid brokers use, if you know what that is, and it is called InvidaTrade. This is a platform that is basically booming right now, and you're able to trade with these guys. Now, the beauty of this platform is it's pretty unique and different than other trading platforms. They have really cool spreads, low spreads at that, but really cool features that allows you to do a lot more when it comes to trading. If you guys are ever interested in learning more about InvidaTrade, I actually will be dropping a video. If I haven't already, you can go ahead and check that out. I'll go ahead and post it once it's available, and you guys can learn more about InvidaTrade, the spreads, the cost, the interface, the experience, and everything you need to know. So that being said, guys, as a trader, I been trading for 6 years. You probably heard of KOT Forex, 24K markets. You probably heard of all of these different brokers, but these brokers actually shut down. And the problem is everybody's trying to figure out where to put their money and looking for a trustworthy broker. Like I said, I've been trading for 6 years, and this is the first time this had happened where a broker that I really like just went away. So that being said, guys, if you really want something solid, just go ahead, comment down below. Let me know in the comments below. I will be sure to answer all the questions for you guys. And your boy Solo, I appreciate you. Tapping out. Peace.